Today you are going to see how to make this classic dim sum dish called stir-fried daikon radish cake, or more commonly known as tao lo bak gou, in your own kitchen. Back at home, we have a version similar to this dish which we call ta oelek in Hokkien. The main ingredient for this dish is the daikon radish, but I added some shredded carrot as well for the color and crunch. For the batter, all you need is just rice flour, salt and water. The amount of batter you need really depends on the size of your daikon radish and the water content in it. Start by cooking down the daikon radish to release the moisture and until the daikon radish turns translucent. Then simply season it with salt and pepper. Then slowly add in the batter and cook it down into a thick paste. Like this. Transfer the mixture into a loaf pan and press it down to remove air bubbles. You can cover the pan with an aluminum foil to prevent the water condensation from steaming. Steam for about 30 minutes and test the batter with a cake taster or fork. If the taster comes out clean, then it's ready. Now you can serve this as is or refrigerate to make the stir-fried daikon radish cake. This was refrigerated overnight. Loosen the side with a knife and turn it over onto a clean chopping board. Then cut it into bite-sized cubes. Heat a non-stick pan with oil and then pan fry these cake cubes until golden brown. And transfer to a bowl and set aside. Using the same pan, add a little bit more oil, then saute garlic and preserved radish until fragrant. Add in the chili sauce or skip for a non-spicy version. Return the cake cubes back into the pan. Give it a good stir and season with soy sauce. Or you can add some sweet dark soy sauce for the color, which will be similar to ta oelek from home. Finally, add in the veggies and toss to combine. Cook until veggies are slightly tender and turn off the heat. That's it! Stir-fried daikon radish cake or tao lo bak gou is done. I hope you like this dish as much as I do. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day!